Freddy the Frog woke up with a yawn, stretched his legs and looked out the dawn. But oh dear me, what a surprise, his lily pad was gone. Right before his eyes he jumped a turtle slow and wise. Have you seen my pad with hopeful eyes? Turtle shook his head with a gentle grin. I saw the wind, it came blowing in. A fish who swam down low. Did my lily pad float where the cattails grow? Fish flipped her fin and gave a spin. I saw it floating near the waterfall's tin. Buzz came Dragonfly, shiny and blue. I'll fly up high and search for you. Up she zoomed with a sparkling hum. Then shouted, Freddy, your pad, it's near the drum. The drum was a rock by the waterfall side, where the lost lily pad chose to hide. So Freddy hopped and bounced with glee, with his friends beside him. 1, 2, 3, they pulled and pushed, gave all they had, and brought back Freddy's lily pad. Now every frog and fish agrees, a friend in need is a friend indeed. And Freddy learned through fun and play, teamwork saves the day. Hip hip hooray!